PDFs are everywhere, from ebooks and reports to invoices and contracts. While most people only know how to open a PDF, there are many tips and tricks that can make reading, annotating, and managing PDFs much easier in 2025. In this video, we'll share the best PDF reader tips to help you get more done. First, choose the right PDF reader. Popular options include Adobe Acrobat Reader, Foxit PDF Reader, and even Google Drive or browser-based readers. Each has unique features, so pick one that fits your workflow. For example, Adobe Acrobat is great for editing, annotating, and adding signatures, while lightweight readers like Foxit are fast and easy to use. Next, use annotation tools effectively. Highlight important text, underline key points, and add sticky notes to keep your ideas organized. Many PDF readers allow you to color code highlights, making it easier to quickly identify sections for review. You can also add shapes, arrows, or comments directly on the PDF for collaborative work. Search within PDFs is another essential tip. Instead of scrolling through dozens of pages, use the search function to find keywords or phrases instantly. In 2025, most readers also allow searching across multiple PDFs in a folder, saving you even more time. Take advantage of bookmarks and table of contents. For long PDFs like reports, ebooks, or manuals, bookmarks let you jump to specific sections instantly. Some readers even allow you to create custom bookmarks for chapters or important sections, making navigation seamless. If you work with scanned documents, use OCR, optical character recognition. Many modern PDF readers can detect text in scanned images and make it searchable and editable. This is perfect for digitizing receipts, contracts, or handwritten notes. Adjust viewing options for comfort. Zoom, night mode, or split screen features can reduce eye strain and make long reading sessions easier. Some readers also allow side-by-side comparisons, which is great for reviewing contracts or reports. Finally, take advantage of integration in cloud storage. Many PDF readers now connect directly with cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. This allows you to open, annotate, and save PDFs in the cloud, ensuring your work is accessible from any device. In summary, using the right PDF reader, annotating effectively, searching efficiently, using bookmarks, leveraging OCR, and adjusting viewing options can drastically improve your PDF workflow in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual reader, these tips make managing PDFs faster, smarter, and more productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching.